Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are talking about how you can clear all cache in your iPhones very easily just within 2 steps. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can clear all cache in your iPhone like Safari websites and different apps. So guys, first of all, go to your mobile settings. Now guys, you can see at the bottom search bar. Simply click on it. Now guys, search Safari. When you search Safari, you can see Safari. Click on it. Now guys, scroll down until the end. When you scroll down, you can see advanced option at the last one. Click on it. Now guys, at the top you can see website data. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds and you can see all websites associated with Safari. Now guys, simply click on edit. Now guys, if you want to individually remove cache, simply click on it and you can see delete option. Click on it. Now if you want to delete all website cache, simply click on remove all website data. Now guys, this is one step done. Now guys, come back and you can see settings option. Again go to your settings. Now guys, scroll down and you can see general option. Click on it. Now guys, you can see iPhone storage option. Simply go to iPhone storage. Now scroll down and you can see all apps in your iPhone. Now guys, I will show you how you can clear individually all apps cache. For example, you can see YouTube. Simply click on it. Now guys, you can see offload app. Simply click on it. Now click on offload. When you click on offload, you can see install app. Simply click on it. Now guys, your app install will be installed again. Now guys, for following this process, you will be remove all your apps cache so easily. So guys, that's all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.